Skelecore Fts by DUCTSOX. This video introduces general installation steps for Skelecore Fts. To get started, locate the hardware components. The hardware arrives in multiple packages. You will find pre-cut spacer tubing, direct hang cable, installation documentation, intermediate rings or IRs, cylindrical tensioning rings or CTRs, and other additional hardware. Supply ductwork and building attachment. Prepare the inlet collar for fabric connection. You will also need to prepare for vertical cable support. Skelecore Fts features direct hang cables to support CTR and IR supports every 6 feet, or as noted on supplied drawings. Supply anchor locations to support 10 to 20 pounds per hanger. Examples of this include perforated angle, unistrut, or tension cable, or as needed to meet local building code requirements. Installing the DUCTSOX. Install the edge guard. Install the fabric inlet. The start-stop of the zipper should be at 12 o'clock. Slide the inlet over the metal about 6 to 10 inches and tighten the inlet belt. Secure anchor patches to the inlet with screws. Roll back the inlet cover-up sleeve. Measure and mark the first direct hang cable. Locate the needed components. Hang the first CTR, adjusting the cable length if necessary. Measure 72 inches to the next direct hang cable. With spacer tube and cable drop attached to an IR, snap the spacer tubing into the CTR. Secure the IR with direct hang cable. Adjust the height if necessary. Measure 72 inches to the next direct hang cable. Snap spacer tubing to both the previous IR and next IR. This shows an alternative installation of 2 spacer tube sections. End the first section's length with a CTR, securing the cable drop to the building structure and adjusting the height if necessary. Installing fabric sections. Fabric sections are packaged individually with drawings for identification. To install the fabric, disconnect the IR from the spacer tubing in the middle of the fabric section location. Orient the zipper overlap end of the fabric section downstream from the airflow. Also, make sure the top zipper access is at 12 o'clock. Locate the corresponding top zipper access. Disconnect the direct hang cable. Slide the fabric over the IR. Reattach the direct hang cable to the IR. Pull the fabric over the next IR. disconnecting the direct hang cable and slide the fabric over the IR and reattach the direct hang cable. Align the zipper start-stop at 12 o'clock. Secure the sew-in anchor clips to the CTR at the inlet. Zip the DUCTSOX to the inlet and roll the cover up over the zipper. Repeat these same steps for the second section. To install the fabric, disconnect the IR from the spacer tubing in the middle of the fabric section location. Orient the zipper overlap end of the fabric section downstream from the airflow. Make sure the top zipper access is at 12 o'clock. Disconnect the direct hang cable, slide the fabric over the IR, and reattach the direct hang cable. Zip to the prior section, making sure the cover-up is rolled back over the zipper. On the opposite end, disconnect the direct hang cable, slide the fabric over the IR, and reattach the direct hang cable. Align the zipper start-stop at 12 o'clock. Secure the sew-in anchor clips to the CTR. Locate the CTR adjustment tool. Turn clockwise to tension the fabric, adjusting until the fabric is taut. Install the coupler to the CTR. Install the next fabric section. Disconnect the spacer tube and slide on the fabric. Reconnect the spacer tube and zip together the fabric sections. Roll the cover up over the zipper. Attach the opposite end of the current fabric section to the CTR, aligning zipper start-stop at 12 o'clock. Secure the sewn-in anchor clips to the CTR. Locate the CTR adjustment tool. Turn clockwise to tension the fabric, adjusting until the fabric is taut. Locate the end cap and ring. Place the ring inside the end cap and tighten the drawstring cord. Release the direct hang cable support. Find the opening at the top of the end cap. Feed the cable for the CTR through the opening in the end cap. Zip zip on the end cap and roll the cover up over the zipper. After the system is tensioned, close the zipper access points along the entire length of the DUCTSOX system. Check out our other FTS installation videos for fittings including elbows, T's, and transitions.